As a leader in safety and performance testing and certification services for the solar industry for over 35 years, TÜV Rheinland offers standardized services all along the PV value chain that are needed to bring solar products to market in countries around the world. With the PV industry experiencing record growth worldwide, the focus on regulatory compliance has never been more important. As your global compliance partner, we can assist on all aspects of your project, from component sourcing to plant production. For manufacturers of PV inverters, modules, components, and trackers, we can expedite the inspection and auditing of production lines and PV product quality, as well as capturing power measurements regarding degradation modes of PV modules. For power plants, we can assist with the development, design, construction, and operation of the plant, ensuring compliance across the PV value chain. Imagine building a power plant where the project is developed in Spain, modules are supplied by China, components by Italy, inverters and energy storage systems by Germany, and then everything is tested and certified by TÜV Rheinland's branch in Germany before being built in Colombia. This entire process worldwide is monitored and managed by TÜV Rheinland to ensure compliance across the entire value chain within each country. Each country often has its own requirements, and it's imperative companies understand their obligations within and across their target markets. Leveraging our global PV and market access services expertise, we can help you understand other tests you may need to consider based on your climate. Whether it's specialized sand abrasion tests in the Middle East and North Africa, or salt mist erosion testing in coastal areas, TÜV can help. In the solar industry, being able to serve multiple global markets drives manufacturing success. Major solar hubs worldwide include China, the US, India, Japan, and the Middle East. At TÜV Rheinland, we provide local support with global market access reach, making us the ideal compliance partner for PV manufacturers and power plant operators. TÜV Rheinland. Precisely right. Contact TÜV Rheinland today